Hey guys, it's Rory again with another unboxing here with Super Wings Jett remote control. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Also, I'm also using scissors, and make sure to ask your parents please, because they're dangerous. Alright guys, we just unboxed this fresh Super Wings remote control Jett. Also, I need to tell you that you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver for this to remove the back and put in the batteries. Now, I'm going to show you how this all works, okay? So, you got to turn on Jett.
It's flirt time!
Wait, I gotta put this on one more time.
It's flirt time!
Okay, that's awesome. Alright, and then here is how the remote works. He can turn completely in a left circle, so you can have him do this. And you can also have him, hopefully get this. Oh! Alright. I also have to show you that there's no, this is awesome, by the way, don't put this in the bath, don't take this underwater. What else can I tell you about it? There's no moving parts, it's super well detailed. The remote control is really small, it's nice, big button, so you know you're gonna hit the button. He also, I think, does a wheelie, but I don't know if he'll actually turn at the very end. Let me see. Yeah. Jett has some really cool lights. Look at this. When you press forward on the remote control, these lights turn on. Also here, look at this. So the way this works, the way the turnings works, one wheel turns backwards and the other one turns forwards, right? This is where the on and off switch is. You're also going to want to turn the on and the on switch on here on the remote, so you know it's both on. Switch.
It's flirt time!
Alright guys, we just finished the whole unboxing. I hope you guys had a fun time. Honestly, I've been having too much fun playing with this thing. I've been attaching everything to it. I've been putting toys on it, making them go around my home. We also did something, and check out the bonus footage. We attached the camera onto Jett, and we just did a constant spin. It was actually pretty cool. Alright guys, well that's it for the remote control Jett. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys can subscribe, and also check out our other Super Wings unboxings. Tune in next week. Alright guys, I just attached my camera to RC Jett. Are you ready? Okay, get ready. We're gonna try and spin this thing around too. Ready? Here it goes. You probably see all my lights I'm using right now for this unboxing video. Alright guys.